Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart: saving money. I'm a big fan of budgeting and saving, and I'm always looking for new ways to help people save money. That's why I'm so excited to be talking about Bread Savings today. Bread Savings is a new app that can help you save money on your everyday purchases. It works by tracking your spending and then giving you cashback rewards when you shop at participating retailers. I've been using Bread Savings for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with how well it works. I've already saved over $100, and I'm just getting started. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Bread Savings. I'll cover the basics, like how to sign up and how to track your spending. I'll also share some tips on how to get the most out of the app. So, if you're looking for a way to save money, I highly recommend checking out Bread Savings. It's a great app that can help you make the most of your money. What is Bread Savings? Bread Savings is a free app that helps you save money on your everyday purchases. It works by tracking your spending and then giving you cashback rewards when you shop at participating retailers. How does Bread Savings work? Sign up for a free Bread Savings account. Link your credit card or debit card to your Bread Savings account. Start shopping at participating retailers. Bread Savings will track your spending and give you cashback rewards. How do I sign up for Bread Savings? Signing up for Bread Savings is easy. Just go to the Bread Savings website or app and click the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and password. How do I link my credit card or debit card to my Bread Savings account? Once you've signed up for a Bread Savings account, you can link your credit card or debit card. This will allow Bread Savings to track your spending. How do I start shopping at participating retailers? There are thousands of participating retailers, so you're sure to find some that you already shop at. You can find a list of participating retailers on the Bread Savings website or app. How does Bread Savings track my spending? Bread Savings tracks your spending by using your credit card or debit card transactions. When you make a purchase at a participating retailer, Bread Savings will automatically record the transaction. How do I get cashback rewards? Cashback rewards are automatically deposited into your Bread Savings account. You can then withdraw your rewards or use them to shop at participating retailers. How do I withdraw my cashback rewards? You can withdraw your cashback rewards at any time. There are a few different ways to do this, including transferring the money to your bank account or using it to purchase gift cards. Tips for getting the most out of Bread Savings. Shop at participating retailers as often as possible. Use your Bread Savings card for all of your purchases. Link your Bread Savings account to your loyalty card accounts. Refer your friends and family to Bread Savings. Additional features. Bread Savings offers a number of additional features, including the ability to set savings goals, the ability to track your progress towards your savings goals, the ability to get personalized recommendations for ways to save money. Bread Savings is a great app that can help you save money on your everyday purchases. It's easy to use and it's free. I highly recommend checking it out if you're looking for a way to save money. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Bread Savings. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money-saving tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.